So I'm back again. Now we only got a little bit left to go with this friggin' Damon / dinosaur / thing. That's not a bird, bro. That's not a bird. Come on. Anyway, so first of all, that thing looks scary as heck. All right, and second of all, from part 2, from my last video, this thing sounds like a lion. No, not even. That's not a bird sound, bro. Anyway, we're gonna finish this. Oh, damn, sorry. We're gonna finish this, and let's. Oh, come on, guy. You can do this. I can do this. I can't do this. Hold up. Spirit, lead me where
my trust is without borders. Let me walk. Oh, all right.
Okay, let's go. Let's get it.
Okay, I know. I need to relax. I need to relax. Just before we even start this video. Damn. Relax.
But the weirdest thing about this bird is they crap on their legs. They crap on their legs. They crap on their legs.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we all definitely heard that. Like, why the heck would you crap? Let me, Gabe, chill out. Let me just keep playing.
Yes, you heard me right. They crap on their own legs because it keeps them cool. But
okay.
Liquid.
Whoa.
Legs is you.
Okay. First of all, it's freaking scary as heck. Sounds like a lion. And who craps on their own? Okay, Gabe, just finish this.
To evaporate the liquid waste, resulting in cooler blood circulating through the bird. When you get right down to it, this already mean-looking bird with a huge machine gun clattering, decapitating death bill now also has poop all over its legs.
Relax! Why did you have to describe it like that?
Mean-looking bird with a huge... When you get right down to it, this already mean-looking bird with a huge machine gun clattering, decapitating death bill now also has poop all over its legs. I'm curious as to what a female shoebill looks in a male. The loudest machine gun sound effect, or the one with the most poo all over his legs? Either way, kind of low expectations, don't you think? Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yo, your boy made it out here, you know what I'm saying? Hey, a shoebill has nothing on me, you know what I'm saying? I'm a big boy out here, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But, that's great. Like, I never in my life ever want to come across that thing ever again. You know what I'm saying? Ever again. Ever. I've never come across it, but seeing it, that's enough, you know what I'm saying? But at least it doesn't fly. Hang on, does a shoebill, let's go, does a shoebill fly? Oh, let me. Which means the hell flight works orange. Yeah, okay, so it glides 100 to 500 meters. All right, see you guys. I never want to come across that thing in my life. Stay blessed, you know what I'm saying? Get away from all the shoebills in your life, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, see ya.